Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let me share a very popular and delicious Mangalorean delicacy, Tekkare gatti, toudhyacho Mandas. Before we get started, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this super delicious recipe for your reference. Let's get started. Wash rice thoroughly and soak it for 2 to 3 hours. The main ingredient to this pudding is cucumber. You can either use cucumbers that are organic and farm fresh, or use the regular English cucumbers that are available in the market. De-seed cucumber if it is ripe. You do not need to remove the seeds if it is raw. Transfer the sliced cucumber pieces into your blender. The ones I chopped were about 2 cups. The more the cucumber, the softer and tastier the pudding gets. To this add grated coconut, jaggery, cardamom powder and pepper powder and blend it well. Do not add water. You can either transfer this blended paste into a container or directly add soaked rice into the same blender and blend everything together. Add some salt and blend the soaked rice. If the soaked rice batter is thick, add the same ground cucumber paste to your blender to blend smoothly. Mix everything once again and keep it aside. Next, let's set our steamer. Add some water into your steamer and place an aluminium foil or a banana leaf on top. Grease the aluminium foil with some ghee. Let the water simmer on a medium flame. And now let's add the ground batter. Pour it right in the center and let it spread all over the edges. Decorate it with some cashew nuts and cook it covered on a medium flame itself for 10 minutes more. And your toudhyacho Mandas and Tekkare gatti is ready in 10 minutes. Poke a knife or a toothpick to check if it is cooked through. Turn off the flame and let it cool down in the steamer itself without its lid. That's how you make this mesmerizingly delicious cucumber pudding. I hope you like this video and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Links to all my social medias are provided in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.